of them's cracked broken at the bottom, kind of, right?
It's okay. So what's happening today, Richie?
So, we're making a cake.
We're making a cake.
Oh, let me get you a knife. Because you need a knife.
Need a knife? Is that enough eggs? I thought you wanted 8.
Yeah, it's just I don't have big hands.
So you want me to start cracking these eggs for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that.
I don't want to get any...
Okay, stop.
No, none in this.
It's 8 ounces,
Yeah.
yeah? There you go. Awesome.
There we go.
Gonna put that in the bowl?
Get big spoonfuls. I need like 2 spoons. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my hands. Cakes, do ya? You've got hands.
Okay.
Now, way more. This will get a stir. If my hand wasn't so slippery. My hand's so slippery that it's just spinning.
What are you doing?
Trying to get it off. There we go.
Okay, that needs to go in then, yeah?
Oh.
It's 8 ounces.
That's what it's basically for. Now we add it. Get a spoon. Because it might stick. Kind of. No way, sunflower is like, it's like bones.
Oh, which out? There you go. It's 8 ounces, yeah? Very good.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Now, just throw in the sugar, pour it all in. Just making sure none's sticky. Come on. You lazy queen. Right. Here we go. Let's bring it down so it's more so I can spread it about. That looks nice. And if there's any left, I'm gonna lick the bowl.
Ooh.
Yummy.
You all done and ready, huh? Now what happens?
Now we open this.
I'll do that. So it goes in the oven, huh?
And then you put it in. 180 degrees for 20.
So we close the door now, yeah?
Degrees, and then 20 minutes.
Oh.
That's how long.
20 minutes. Okay, set a timer. Yeah. It's been 20 minutes. How do they look? Ooh.
One of them's kind of busted.
Let's bring them out. Hang on. To do what with the cream?
So we can mix it. Whoa, a big bubble.
Want some jam on there?
So
what are you going to do with the cream though?
It doesn't look like it's baking on the cake. Maybe it's because the cake was in the fridge for like 5 days. I use a knife.
That's what the jam came out like. I was doing the cream. Not too much, remember?
Making like a face game. Look at that.
Ooh, I'm going to spread it out. Here you go. Richie, here you go.
There we go. Now I spread it out. That looks really nice.
Very good. So cake's looking good so far.
You can use all of it now.
Use all the cream now.
Get it everywhere. Let's get it out like this. There you go. Let's put that in there. Let's spread it about. Ooh, that's looking nice. Now, you just need this. Yeah. Ooh, sliding. Just throwing them on. Is some of the strawberry we just grew. There we go. That means we did.
Alright, is that all finished?
Just some more strawberries. If you want, you can do it.
Okay.
This one does. So now you have to put it in the fridge so the cream like freezes with the strawberries. So they're like stuck together.
So it sets. Awesome. Let's do that now. Show on the road. There's the cake. All nice and finished. Does it look really good?
Yep, it's perfect. Oh, heavy. Let's put it down. Get me a plate.
Plate. Get a big slice, huh?
Mm.
There's the slice.
Mm.
Wow, wow, wow.
Mm.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Gotta eat some.
Mm. So we got some cream, some jam, some strawberries.
Does it get the thumbs up award from Richie? 2 thumbs up. Well done. Tasty cake.
Mm.